I'm Dave Lancaster. Welcome to Real Recipes, and today we have a special treat. We have Jason Ichiki. He's the sous chef at Roy's Restaurant, so you know it's going to be good. Hey, Jason,
Nice to meet you.
welcome to the show. Now, today you're going to make something really special. It's fresh moi,
Fresh moi.
stuffed with king crab and lapchong.
Yes.
Oh, wow. This is unreal. So why don't we get started? Show us what you're going to do first.
So first, I'm going to cook the lapchong
Okay.
with the onions, garlic, and ginger.
Okay. Is this something you guys cook at Roy's all the time? Or is this your own recipe?
This is like a family recipe.
Your family recipe.
yeah.
Okay.
So-
of course, well, you're the one that taught Roy how to cook anyway, right? Yeah, of course.
So basically, you just want to cook the onions, garlic, and ginger because you don't want raw onions or garlic.
So just a little bit, just
Just a little bit.
Okay.
In the meantime, we can score the moi.
Okay.
So you just want to do this so it cooks more evenly.
All right. So is it easy to find farm-raised moi in the stores, or is
I've seen it at Times Supermarket.
Times Supermarket? Okay.
It's the only supermarket I see moi at, actually.
Okay.
Then you can actually steam the bok choy.
Okay. So baby bok choy.
Baby bok choy.
Okay. And steam it in a steamer.
Steam it in the steamer.
Okay. And that's really easy to make at home if you got a steamer at home. Same thing, right?
Same thing.
Okay.
Or you can boil it.
Boil it. All right. So you can use moi. Is there anything else you can use to stuff?
You
with that?
can use any fish.
Okay.
Perfect. But
Okay.
I like moi the best. So
All right. All right. Okay.
so once this all sautés up together,
Okay.
you just want to put it in a bowl.
Okay.
You want to let this cool down before you add the mayonnaise to it.
Okay. Otherwise it'll curdle.
Yeah, it's
cook.
gonna curdle and everything.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I'm just gonna add it in.
Yeah. Yeah. We just we're not scared here on TV. We just,
So you want to put a little mayonnaise,
okay.
a little oyster sauce.
Ooh. Okay. That's the secret ingredient.
This is the saltiness of the dish.
Okay. Okay.
And then some breadcrumbs or panko, Japanese bread. So keep everything binded together when you cook everything.
Okay.
All you want to do is just mix this together.
Okay. That looks good. Smells good already.
You want this cold.
Okay.
Actually,
so
when
you
you
put it in the
stuff-
fridge.
Yeah, put it in the fridge
Okay.
before you stuff the moi, just because you don't want the hot filling to cook the moi inside.
So how much stuffing do you want to put in? As much as you want?
As much as you
As
want.
much as you want to put in there. Okay. That's the good thing about cooking at home for yourself, you know. Okay. So you put the king crab meat inside first.
Inside first.
Okay. Okay. Just stuff
that.
them in there. Okay.
And then you
And
want
then
to
the
get the
lapchong mixture. Okay.
stuffing right underneath.
Okay.
And if you don't have a steamer at home, you can always bake this fish.
Okay.
Or but I just like steamy. I just like steam moi the best. And then you want to season this with salt and white pepper on the outside. The reason why I'm not using black pepper is because you don't want the black specks on top of the white flesh and everything.
Okay. Good. Good tip. Okay.
And then
All right. So you got the baby bok choy already
Baby
steaming
bok
in there.
choy.
So you're just gonna take that out.
take this out.
Okay.
Put this on our plate over here.
Okay.
And then we can put the moi right inside.
Now, how long do you steam
It's
a
usually
moi about
gonna
that size?
Take about 10 to 12 minutes
Okay.
to steam the whole thing. And then in the meantime, I'll get my jalapenos ready.
Okay. So with jalapenos.
Jalapenos.
This is gonna be like a garnish or a sauce.
garnish and part of the flavor
Okay.
of the fish. So I'm just gonna alternate it,
Oh, kind of a very Christmassy presentation.
make it look all
Green
colorful.
and, yeah. So there's red and green jalapeno.
Red and green.
Okay.
No difference. The red one is just a little bit sweeter, not as hot as the green ones.
Okay.
And we have some nice julienne ginger.
Okay.
Just put this right on top.
Ooh, that looks nice.
And then when the fish is done, we're gonna put that right on top of the fish and then sizzle it with some peanut oil.
Ooh, okay.
And what that does is release the aromatics off the ginger and the jalapenos.
Ooh, there it is. Okay.
So you need a real big spatula
Okay.
so you don't drop this.
All right.
Just be very, very gentle.
Ooh, that looks good. Now this is where the special.
So the finishing touch
Okay.
is to sizzle it with some peanut oil, hot peanut oil.
And what's that gonna do to the fish?
It's going to release the aromatics from the ginger and the jalapenos onto the
Okay.
fish.
You hear that sizzle already? Ooh, there you go. Wow.
One more time.
Yeah, one more time for the boys. There you go.
That should be good. And then to finish this, we have some citrus ponzu sauce.
Ah,
Just
okay.
orange juice, lime juice, lemon juice, soy sauce, and rice and vinegar.
Okay.
Just going to put this around the plate. And we have some scallion oil,
Okay.
just for color.
All right. Ooh, that looks nice.
And then we got some rayu, which is some chili pepper sesame oil. Just also for some color.
Okay.
And then we'll garnish this with some fresh cilantro, just right on top.
Now this is something really easy to make at home.
Really easy to make at home, really simple.
And impress your friends.
Impress your friends. Impress some girl if you want.
And impress a girl too, yeah, there you go. Okay, so it's farm raised moi.
Farm raised moi.
Stuffed with lapchong and king crab. Okay, well, you know, I gotta eat this. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try this out. So delicate. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Plenty king crab. Oh no, bro. Oh no. Jason, from Roy's Restaurant, steamed moi with king crab legs and lapchong. Right on, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Very ono. Check this out. Easy to make.
Coming up next on Hawaii Goes Fishing, the Alapat Fishing Club in pursuit of Alua.